Cumin Wintermelon Raisins Milk Smoothie or Cumin Wintermelon Raisins Milkshake, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the Wintermelon recipes and one of the most unique of the Cumin seed recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the best milkshake recipes. Today we're going to make Cumin Wintermelon Raisins Milk Smoothie. We've taken around 50 grams of sugar, 2 spoons of cumin seeds, around 150 grams of wintermelon, around 60 to 70 grams of raisins. Put in the raisins. Put in the sugar. And the cumin seeds. Close and grind well. Open. Put in the wintermelon. Close and grind well. Open. Pour in milk, around 300 ml. Close and grind well. Now open. Now the Cumin Wintermelon Raisins Milk Smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour the milk smoothie into the glasses. This is the final. Cumin Wintermelon Raisins Milk Smoothie or Cumin Wintermelon Raisins Milkshake, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cumin seed recipes and one of the most unique of the wintermelon recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the ashwood recipes and one of the most delicious of the raisins recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.